guys, welcome to BRAINY Brickster. In this video, we are going to make a Sluban Army set attack helicopter. My father brought this from Netherlands. I'm so excited to open it. I'm going to unbox the set and show you the contents in it. This is the attack helicopter which I made with the Sluban set and the contents. Pilot is sitting here. Both the propellers will spin. And there are two missiles which can be moved up and down. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to BRAINY Brickster.